the president has weighed in on court orders and has urged the centre, the CJI, to implement verdicts. The president has said, and I quote, "devise system to implement judicial orders, ensure justice gets delivered in the true sense, expenses put quest of justice out of reach." Let's go straight across to my colleague Mohit, who is back with us on the broadcast. Mohit, if you could please give us a little bit of more context on this piece of breaking information that we are getting in, that the president has in fact urged the centre, CJI, to implement verdicts.
Well, you see, President Droupadi Murmu was in Jharkhand yesterday to inaugurate the new building of the Jharkhand High Court. Now, while speaking on this particular occasion, she basically stated that now sometimes what happens is that the justice gets delivered, but the implementation of justice takes time. Now, for example, if a person wins the case, but she stated that sometimes he believes that he has not won that particular, he has not got the justice. So winning the case and getting the justice is a different thing, because we see there is an exhaustive process, judicial process that takes place. The litigation part is also expensive, and hence the courts and the central government should ensure that there has to be a speedy trial so that people have their faith in the judicial system. It should not be time-taking. Now, we know for a fact that how if a case goes from the district court to the High Court to the Supreme Court and then the verdict comes, the implementation of that verdict takes time on the ground. So she basically says that you might win the case, but sometimes the people believe that despite winning the case, they do not get justice because the whole process is very exhaustive, and hence steps should be taken by the government and the judiciary to ensure first that this particular process is cut short so that people get justice on time, and also they need to take care of the expensive litigation that also is a matter of concern, what President Droupadi Murmu says.